Hi friends, I am Ashraf Ali and today we will discuss about spacing in math mode in LaTeX software. Friends, most welcome to Math Live LaTeX software channel. And friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. Spacing in math mode. In math environment, LaTeX ignores the spaces that you use in the source and instead puts in the spacing according to the normal rules for mathematics text. Many math mode spacing definitions are expressed in terms of math unit mu given by 1 em is equal to 18 mu math unit, where em is taken from the current math symbols family. LaTeX provides the following commands for use in the math mode. Backslash semicolon. Normally 5 mu plus 5 mu. The longer name is thick space math mode only. And number 2 is backslash colon backslash greater sign. Normally 4 mu plus 2 mu minus 4 mu. The longer name is mid space math mode only. Number 3 is backslash comma. Normally 3 mu. No, the longer name is thin space. This can be used in both math mode and text mode. Number 4 is backslash exclamation mark. A negative thin space, normally minus 3 mu math mode only. And backslash chord. This is 18 mu, that is 1 em. This is often used for space surrounding equations or expressions, for instance for the space between two equations inside a display math environment. It is available in both text and math mode. And last is backslash q chord. A length of two chords, that is 36 mu is equal to 2 em. It is available in both text and math mode. Now we will go to the LaTeX software and check these commands. Here these are all commands. First of all, I will integral from a to b and f of x is equal to dx into dx. And second number is I used is command thick space, and third is backslash semicolon, and 4 is mid space, and 5 is thin space, and 7 is backslash exclamation mark, and 6 is quad, and 7 is q quad. Now bleed and view. Here is bleed and view. In first I have no used command. There is no space between f of x and dx. Here is space between f of x and dx, and similarly below, and similarly also. And this command is exclamation mark. Here is negative space, means close to the f of x dx, and here is backslash qd, and below is backslash q quad. Here space between is very large. Friends, thanks for listening me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.